Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So what we have here on the USD versus Japanese yen, this is a daily time frame, and I placed a Fibonacci extension from this swing low, this swing high, and this swing low, and we had a Fibonacci 100 expansion percent around 140.40 mark. Also, we can see here that stochastic got a fresh bear cross and it's from the overbought territory. Plus, we have the reversal day here after the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 13 days of the bull run. We had this reversal day yesterday, so market traded just above that previous day high and then sold off and closed on the low. So I definitely see potential for the USD to go lower towards, for example, the swing, let's say at least towards the recent swing highs on the daily around 37.60 mark. But of course, if there is even bigger down power, there is even chance for further lower prices. Also, there is a projected upper trend line, which is exactly found the resistance and where this reversal actually happened. So very nice potential for the further downside movement on the USD Japanese yen. I will say as long the market can hold above the 140, I will say 141 mark. As long the market can trade below and hold below the 141 mark, and there is a chance for the lower prices on the USD Japanese yen. Speaking of the gold market, so we spoke about this. This was a great pivot around 1933. I also noticed that basically market was already is in a strong mid-long-term bull cycle, and that this downside movement can be very similar correction like we had here from the beginning of February this year. So still chances for the higher prices. Yesterday we had this reversal day, which this day basically took the last couple of days. It left a pin bar and tail, like a buying tail, and there is a potential for the higher price in the next period. I can see the next upside references at 1985, then we have a 2000 mark, and then we have a 2048, and of course the all-time high around 2078 mark. So upside in the play on the gold and the further upside continuation based on this strong bull cycle in the mid-long-term perspective. Now, speaking of the crude oil, it's also we spoke about this range, and as alerted, there was a chance for the market to go to test the pin bar territory, which is a market is probably trying to do. We had a down day breakout of this range, so the potential for the lower prices is definitely there, and area around all the area around 67 towards the 63.50 mark is like a pin bar territory from this reversal, basically reversal uptrust day from May 4th. So there is a chance for the market to at least go and test this area, so lower prices might be in the play on the crude oil, and then we have a breakout that actually started and happened yesterday when the market started to break area around 71 mark. And speaking of the Bitcoin, so what we have here is that market is now after the breakout day here on May 28th, market went got an immediately down bar and then followed by another like neutral bar, but market traded lower today. So still the market this all can be just a pullback based on this rally, right? So if we can place like here, you will see that market is trading around 61.8. So I will love to see, I would like to see how the market will react around this 26,000, like 850 area or so, because this might be the area where the market can find the buyers. And so, and if that will happen, if we can see some reaction from buyers and some kind of the bottoming of this, for example, something like the market will go there and then try to react or something, then there is a still chance for the higher prices and for this upside moment to continue towards the 29,000, let's say 800 MAR. But of course, if the market will just continue the momentum and have no signs of reaction higher or no bottoming area at this point, then market can of course go through this, and basically then this will be a fake breakout. So pay attention on this. This is still in the pullback range, and so pay attention on this area here, and we'll see how the market will react from here. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.